Good morning, good day, everybody whoever is watching it. Doesn't matter where you are located. You're talking about Web3 Gym. We're talking about Web3 BD and how to increase the confidence. It doesn't really apply to Web3 BD. It applies to overall life in general. And this is my personal observation and things that I found online from other people. That's why I'm going to be sharing one way, like that's already proven to boost the confidence for yourself. Um, so the main problem with confidence is that the only person that needs convincing themselves that they're confident is actually you. So the people that you're talking with, they don't really care confident you are or not confident. They can just simply see if you are or not. So if you have been thinking, okay, how do I need to increase my confidence? You need to increase it for yourself. You need to see it yourself that hey, I'm actually confident, and only then you will become confident. Very hard psychological concept. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do in practice to do it. And you can only increase it if you prove to yourself that you will do the thing that gets confidence back from you. So despite it, you will still do the thing. And the example that I'm providing here is this. Let's say you have a call with important deal. In this case, let's say with a big CEO, big scary CEO, who happens to be a very impolite person that is ignoring other salespeople, that is rude, and that you don't really enjoy working with, but you need a deal from them. So what you can do, you can decide that you will protect your boundaries, psychological boundaries, physical boundaries, doesn't really matter. Because this is the main problem. You need to define what is your boundary, and then you need to protect your boundary, and this is what will give you confidence. So in this use case, you go, the person is impolite, rude, they're trespassing your boundaries, you politely push them back, you set your boundary, and you say, are you ready to work with it or not? And in most of the cases, you will probably lose the deal in that case with that CEO. But what you gained on the other hand is you protected yourself, you showed to yourself that the deal is not worth your, like, you do not define yourself by the value of that deal or by the ability to close the deal. And this is a small step that will help you to build your confidence. So basically, you start with defining your boundaries, what you're ready to do for a deal, and be fierceful in protecting your boundaries. Every time you do it, your confidence will rise because you show a real proof to yourself that whatever happens in the real world, you are doing the thing. You are the man or you are the woman. You are keeping on your own word and you're not betraying yourself. And this will signalize to you that you're actually the person that's worth to being confident. And this is what will gonna give you the confidence. So that's very simple. Psychological thing, one thing to do. Whatever you're gonna do with this information is up to you right now. You can go, you can try it out. You can go, but if you go and you blow all of your deals, don't blame it on Nikolai. Take responsibility. Take responsibility for protecting your own boundaries. And see you guys in the next video. If you see that this thing didn't work for you, drop me a message on Telegram or join our Web3 Gym Telegram community and talk with the broader audience, with broader subscribers of the channel of what went wrong and what can be improved for you. That's mostly it from today from me. See you in the next video. Web3 Gym. Let's go. Love you all, guys. See you.